Indulge in the luscious flavors of a classic lemon meringue pie. This timeless dessert combines a buttery crust, tangy lemon filling, and fluffy meringue topping for a treat that's both refreshing and decadent. Follow along as we guide you through each step of creating this delightful pie. Begin by preparing the pie crust. You can either use a store-bought crust or make your own from scratch. If making your own, combine flour, salt, and cold butter in a food processor, pulsing until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water until the dough comes together. Flatten the dough into a disc, wrap it in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Once the dough has chilled, roll it out on a floured surface into a circle slightly larger than your pie dish. Carefully transfer the dough to the pie dish, gently pressing it into the bottom and sides. Trim any excess dough and crimp the edges decoratively. Prick the bottom of the crust with a fork to prevent air bubbles from forming during baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line the pie crust with parchment paper or aluminum foil and fill it with pie weights or dried beans to prevent it from puffing up. Bake the crust for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it is lightly golden brown. Remove the weights and parchment paper, then return the crust to the oven for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, or until fully baked and golden. Allow the crust to cool completely. While the crust is cooling, prepare the lemon filling. In a medium saucepan, whisk together fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, egg yolks, sweetened condensed milk, and cornstarch until smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook the mixture, stirring constantly until it thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Continue to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, then remove the pan from the heat. Pour the lemon filling into the cooled pie crust, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Allow the pie to cool to room temperature while you prepare the meringue topping. In a clean mixing bowl, beat egg whites and cream of tartar on medium speed until soft peaks form. Gradually add granulated sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat on high speed. Beat the meringue until stiff, glossy peaks form. Spread the meringue over the lemon filling, making sure to seal the edges of the pie crust to prevent shrinking. Use the back of a spoon to create decorative peaks in the meringue. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Bake the pie for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the meringue is lightly golden brown. Keep a close eye on the pie to prevent the meringue from burning. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven and allow it to cool completely on a wire rack. Once cooled, refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours, or until fully set. Serve slices of lemon meringue pie chilled, garnished with additional lemon zest or slices, if desired. Enjoy the perfect balance of tangy lemon, creamy filling, and fluffy meringue in every bite of this exquisite dessert.